Hey guys, happy Halloween. It's your girl, Tracelle, back with another sickening video. And honey, get ready because today we're diving headfirst into the spooktacular world of Monster High Skullector dolls. Oh my ghoul, we're about to rank all of the drop-dead gorgeous dolls. From the freaky fab to the absolutely fantastic. I got this ideal from an awesome YouTuber named Jester. So be sure to check out her video. I will have her information linked in the description box. Now grab your spiderwebbed Starbucks cup, get comfy, and prepare to gag over these killer looks. I'm talking fierce fashion, killer accessories, and makeup that would make even Dracula jealous. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fantastic content. All right, my bosses, let's get this party started. Okay, we're starting our list with a doll that honestly missed the mark a little when comparing her to all of the others in my opinion. Don't get me wrong, she's cute, and I am so here for her outfit. However, coming in at number 14 is Monster High and Squid Game collab Young-Hee. We need drama, we need glamour, we need a look that will wake up the dead. This doll, well, she looks like she's ready for a day at the graveyard, and not in a chic Morticia Addams kind of way. Again, I do love the outfit and the accessories, but in comparison to the other Skullector dolls, this is where she places, in my opinion. It's giving, we need more Mattel. Okay, so next up we have the Grady Twins, which is a small step up from our last ghoul. The Grady Twins Skullector dolls inspired by The Shining are hauntingly stunning. Their outfits feature perfect details, a light blue vintage style dress with delicate lace trims, knee-high socks, and little Mary Jane shoes that make the look unsettlingly sweet. Their faces are pale and ghostly, with wide, unblinking eyes that give off an eerie charm, and their expressions almost pull you into the hotel corridors. However, I've ranked them 13 out of 14 in this series. While the look captures their essence well, they feel a touch less impactful next to some of the other Skullector dolls that really push those horror-inspired designs to an extra level of creativity. Okay, so Draculaura is like the OG ghoul next door, right? And these Skullector dolls, total sweetheart vibes. The Chucky and Tiffany 2-pack, a killer edition that's ranked number 12 out of 14. The Chucky doll is just too put together. I feel like the doll should have resembled the actual character, like in the movies. But Tiffany, she's the perfect partner, decked out in her iconic black leatherette jacket and heart-splattered dress that goes perfectly with her signature platinum blonde hair. Both dolls are loaded with little nods to the movies, like Tiffany's black nails and Chucky's stitched detailing, which give them an authentic edge. Though they're not my ultimate favorites, I love how they stand out on my shelf, adding that fun horror twist to my Monster High Skullector lineup. The Annabelle Monster High Skullector doll brings to life one of horror's creepiest icons with a unique Monster High twist. Dressed in a cream and crimson dress with a jagged tulle skirt, Annabelle captures that eerie elegance. The design team nailed her wide-eyed, almost haunted expression, enhancing the classic Monster High look with hauntingly lifelike details like her red long ponytails and piercing eyes. However, ranking her number 11 out of 14, I felt there was a bit of missed potential. While she's definitely spooky, the doll lacks some of the complex design details that make other Skullector dolls stand out. Still, for fans of horror and Monster High, Annabelle is a memorable addition to the collection and sure to add a haunting vibe to any shelf. Let me tell you about the Monster High Skullector Disney Hocus Pocus Dolls 3-pack. It's such a unique set that truly honors the Sanderson sisters from the iconic Halloween classic Hocus Pocus. First up, these dolls capture every detail you'd hope for in their looks. Each sister, Winifred, Mary, and Sarah, has a distinct style, carefully crafted with vibrant colors, dramatic makeup, and intricate accessories. I mean, the attention to detail in their outfits is just chef's kiss. From Winifred's billowing green robes to Sarah's enchanting purple dress and Mary's quirky updo with a matching red and purple ensemble, it's like the designers cast a spell on each piece. But here's the thing, as much as I love this 3-pack, I'd rank it at number 10 out of 14 in my collection. The dolls are beautiful and have that nostalgic Halloween charm, but I feel like they miss just a touch of the eerie energy the Monster High Skullector dolls usually bring. They're slightly more playful than spooky, which might be perfect for fans of the movie, but it leaves them shy of my top spots. In the Monster High Skullector series, the creature from the Black Lagoon doll is a true standout, ranking at number 9 for me. This doll embodies that eerie, underwater charm with a stunning, shimmering green finish that's almost hypnotic, like the deep depths of a mystical lagoon. She has a new face sculpt made specifically for this doll on the original scaly body with fin and gill details. Her scales catch the light just right, and the details on her fins and webbed hands are intricate and lifelike, pulling you right into her story. The doll's outfit, from the layered textures to the sleek fabric choices, gives her that classic monster elegance while staying true to her iconic look. She's both spooky and beautiful, making her an unforgettable addition to any collection. Coming in at number 8, we've got the Mattel Creations Monster High Skullector, Bride of Frankenstein, collector dolls, and they're nothing short of electrifying. This 2-pack celebrates the iconic duo Frankenstein and his bride and brings them to life in true Skullector fashion. The Bride of Frankenstein doll is hauntingly elegant with her classic black and white styling, complete with the signature towering hair streaked with lightning-like white, a stitched gown that gives off that eerie, stitched-together look, and glamorously dark makeup that enhances her undead beauty. Frankenstein himself is right by her side, his rugged yet put-together look capturing that old Hollywood horror vibe while still feeling modern. He's rocking bolts, stitches, and a killer suit that pairs so perfectly with the bride's stitch dress. The details really stand out in these dolls, from the tiniest stitch marks to those signature scars and bolts. They didn't miss a thing. These 2 dolls are both a work of art and a respectful nod to horror's most iconic couple. To any collection. In the world of Monster High, the Mattel Monster High Skullector Addams Family Doll 2-pack is a captivating addition that perfectly embodies the essence of this iconic family. featuring the stunning Morticia and her ever-mischievous daughter Wednesday. This set captures their gothic charm with impeccable detail. Morticia, with her long, flowing black hair and signature floor-length dress, exudes elegance and grace. Her striking features and deep red lips bring out her enchanting, yet slightly eerie presence. Meanwhile, Wednesday stands out with her signature braids, dark attire, and an adorable yet spooky vibe that is unmistakably her own. The subtle touches, like their delicate accessories and the intricate designs on their outfits, truly bring these characters to life. As I rank this 2-pack number 6 in this series, I can't help but admire how well it celebrates the unique bond between mother and daughter, all while giving a nod to the classic Addams Family aesthetic. It's a delightful blend of nostalgia and creativity that any fan would cherish. Now we are down to my top 5 dolls. Let's talk about the Dracula Monster High Skullector doll, which I've decided to rank at number 5 in my review. This stunning doll is a captivating blend of elegance and eerie charm, embodying the essence of classic horror with a modern twist. Dressed to kill in a slick tuxedo, red cape, and medallion, just like the original movie costume. A batty headdress and coffin heels that open to a sleeping vampire add a hauntingly chic Monster High twist, perfectly complement her vampiric aesthetic. Her striking face is what truly steals the show, with porcelain-like skin, bold red lips, and captivating, piercing red eyes, framed by long, luxurious lashes. She embodies the allure of Dracula. The attention to detail is phenomenal, from the delicate fangs peeking out from her lips to the meticulously styled hair cascading down her back. Overall, the Dracula Skullector doll is a stunning tribute to the vampire lore we all love. With her unique style and haunting beauty, she captures the essence of what makes Monster High so special, embracing individuality and the celebration of the fantastical. I'm excited to share my thoughts on the It Chapter 2 Monster High Skullector Pennywise doll, and I'm giving it a solid rank of number 4 in my review. First off, this doll is a stunning homage to the iconic character from Stephen King's horror masterpiece. Pennywise stands tall in her signature clown attire, complete with that classic red balloon that instantly evokes a shiver down your spine. The detailing on the outfit is impressive, with a mix of textured fabrics that bring the creepy aesthetic to life. One of the standout features has to be her hauntingly expressive face, with those piercing eyes and that unsettling grin that can send chills through any collector. The blend of playful and sinister in this design is pure genius, capturing the essence of Pennywise perfectly. But what truly sets this doll apart is the way it combines the classic Monster High vibe with horror elements. It's both collectible and creepy, making it a unique addition to any doll collection. So, if you're a fan of the eerie and the iconic, the It Chapter 2 Monster High Skullector Pennywise doll is definitely one to grab. Okay, so we're getting closer to the top of this list, and let me tell you, the competition is getting fierce like Elvira's Hairspray budget. As a lifelong fan of both Monster High and Elvira, this collaboration feels like a dream come true with the Monster High Skullector Elvira, mistress of the dark doll. From her iconic raven hair and dramatic makeup to her stunning outfit that pays homage to Elvira's classic style, every detail is spot on. The doll features her signature black gown, adorned with a playful slit that captures Elvira's bold persona. The red dagger on the gown adds a nice touch. What I love most is the fun blend of spooky and glamorous that this doll embodies, perfectly reflecting Elvira's wit and charm. Plus, the accessories like her eerie yet elegant jewelry and the fabulous cape add that extra flair, making her a standout piece in any collection. For these reasons, I'm ranking the Elvira doll at number 3 in my Skullector review. She's a must-have for any fan of the spooky and stylish, and I can't wait for you all to see her up close. Okay guys, we're down to the wire. In this enchanting 2-pack, we have the delightfully eerie Beetlejuice reimagined as a fierce female doll alongside the ever-dramatic Lydia Dietz. Beetlejuice dazzles with her signature striped suit, complete with vibrant green accents that capture her mischievous spirit. Her wild, voluminous green hair adds a touch of chaotic charm, perfectly matching her playful personality. Lydia, on the other hand, is the epitome of gothic elegance. Dressed in her iconic red dress with intricate detailing, she carries a classic camera that speaks to her love for the macabre. Her deep red lips and striking raven black hair complete the look, embodying the perfect balance of beauty and mystery. Both dolls comes with film-inspired accessories, include Beetlejuice doll's carousel hat, Lydia's camera, and a miniature replica of the handbook for the recently deceased. This 2-pack isn't just a tribute to the beloved characters. It's a celebration of the bond between them, drawing fans into a world where the line between life and afterlife blurs in the most captivating way. With their dynamic designs and attention to detail, I'm ranking these dolls number 2 in the Skullector series. They truly are a hauntingly stylish addition to any collection. Okay, my spooky bosses, the moment we've all been waiting for. The number 1 spot on our list of Monster High Skullector dolls goes to the Monster High Greta Gremlin doll. Let me tell you, this doll is everything. She is the moment. Greta is a fabulous blend of mischief and charm, perfectly embodying the playful spirit of Gremlins. With her striking green skin and playful green hair, she stands out in any collection. Her outfit is just as vibrant, featuring a stylish mix of textures and patterns that capture her quirky personality. But the real show stealer, the adorable furry gizmo that comes with her. This little guy adds a delightful touch, and their bond is truly heartwarming. Whether you're a longtime fan of Monster High or new to the scene, Greta is a must-have doll that brings a unique flair to any shelf. Trust me, once you see her in person, you'll understand why she's my number 1 pick. Congratulations on being the ultimate Skullector queen. And that's a wrap on our Monster High Skullector doll ranking. It was so much fun to revisit these iconic characters and see them all glammed up. Let me know in the comments which doll is your absolute favorite and why. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a spooky beat. Until next time, stay creepy and stay you.